started?
Yep.
Oh, well, great. Okay, so today we are talking about Unit 3, Lesson 4, situations about multiplying fractions. So when we talk about situations, we're going to talk about multiplying something that is more than just one piece that we have been doing. So let's get into it. You should have in front of you the paper that we're going to work through today. I'm sorry that the print is so small. It is what it is. Okay? So we're going to solve problems about multiplying fractions, and let's talk about having things. So out loud, but not shouting or screaming, what, and this is on your paper as well, what is 1/2 times 1/2? It is, everybody?
1/4.
1/4, and I've lost my pens because I've set them down somewhere.
Your clicker's on your back table.
No, my clicker's in my hands.
Oh.
They're both right here.
Okay, 1/4. 1/3 times 1/2 is
1/6.
1/6. Can you see what's being written on the board?
Yeah.
Okay. 1/4 times 1/2 is
1/10.
1.
Oh, I meant 1/8.
1/8. There we
I was
go.
looking at Z.
And Ashton, 1/5 times 1/2 is
1/10.
1/10. There we go.
I noticed something about that.
Tell me.
It's going up by 2 on the denominator every single time.
Good.
No, it's 1 and it did 2.
Okay. So okay, really quickly, which one is the largest fraction that we did? Case.
It is A.
It is A. Because remember, the smaller the number on the bottom, the larger the fraction. Okay, hang on 1 second. I'm going to show you something real quick because so we get it. Okay. And I have an 8. Okay, remember, even though the 4 is 8, right? If I have a 4 and I have an 8. Huh?
Oh, I'm writing it down.
Okay. If I have a 4 and I have an 8, even though the number is larger, it is a smaller fraction. Yes, sir.
I forgot my notebook. My math notebook in my locker.
Leave the door cracked, okay? All right, moving on. Am I good to move?
Yeah.
Right? How much more you got?
I need one more.
110.
Hold up.
4, 6, 8, 10. Are you lefty?
I can write with both hands.
What do you want me to do? That's
pretty
special. What do you
Okay.
call that?
Ambidextrous.
Yeah.
Okay, the park, here we go. All right, so a city is designing a park. A city is designing a park on a rectangular piece of land. Yes, that looks like a square, but it is technically a rectangle.
How?
I don't know.
So a square
We're
is a
just gonna
rectangle,
let
but
it-
a rectangle is not a square.
Correct, and I don't understand it either, but we're going with it. Okay? A city is designing a park on a rectangular piece of land, hence square rectangular. Let it go. All right, 2/3 of the park will be used for different sports. All right, super fun here. All right, so how do I split? So the first thing we're going to do is let's think of our cubes. Hang on just a second. Let's think of our cubes. Who's my stick person today?
Heston.
And Heston, I'm going to make sure that you have 5 sharpened pencils. We're doing. Okay, Heston, draw a stick.
I can't see the
Okay, so what do I need to do first?
you need
Go to the end. With the cubes. So we're going to, I want you to think of cubes first. Yeah. What do I need to do with my numbers? I need to, you do, but I want you to think of, because this is like a story problem type thing, I want you to think of it, so we're not going to do all of the cubes with it, but I want you to notice the numbers. So we're going to do what with it?
multiply.
No, not yet. We're nowhere near that. What do I do as with cubes? We're going to do what, Kinley?
Are we doing cubes like eliminate and
Yeah, but the first thing we're going to do is, starts with a C,
we're gonna circle the numbers.
circle the numbers.
Wait,
Okay?
we do cubes?
We're circling the numbers.
Yes, we're doing Q.
We're not doing it all. Right now, I just want you to focus on circling the numbers. That's all I needed you to do right there was circle the numbers. Because it's a story problem, I want you to circle the numbers. What are we doing?
Circle the numbers.
Circling the numbers. Okay, there is a reason that I need you to circle the numbers. Okay, now I'm gonna do what, Ashton? What you said?
Underline.
No. What you said a minute ago. You said something about. Was that you that said split it?
Oh, what?
Who? Oh, that was Heston. Heston said to split it. I'm sorry. Now we're gonna split it into thirds. We're gonna go ahead and split it. I just wanted you to circle it. Okay?
Ashton was the one who said multiply.
Okay.
What?
We're going to split it into thirds. We're going to split it into thirds. We're going to split it into thirds. What are we splitting it into? There we go.
I normally do like sideways
That's fine.
lines first.
I drew a really good line.
However you want to do it. As long as you can explain it.
Come on now.
Okay. So I'm going to color one of these sides. I'm going to color this straight down, correct?
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
I don't think.
You don't think what? Okay? I just realized I only colored 1/3 of it before. On the other side. Huh?
You said another pencil.
What's the matter, Ashton? Why did I color 2 of them?
Because it says 2/3.
It says 2/3. Okay, this is something new, right? We haven't done multiples of it, have we? We've only done like 1/2 times 1/3. We are now venturing into the unknown. There it is. Okay, stop. Stop, please. So we are now going into 2/3. 2/3. All right, now what do I do with it? Draw a stick? Right, what do I do with it now? What do you think I'm going to do next? I have 2/3 there. What do I do next? Not yet. You're getting ahead of yourself. You're okay. What do I do next? I've got 2/3, but in order to times it by something, I have to do what to it? Because I've got it split. Watch. Oh, stop. I've got it split one way. I have to do what to it next? Look at the numbers you have circled.
Ooh.
Yeah. 1/2. Okay, now pay attention before you split it all the way across. And yes, you are correct. You are going to split it part of the way.
Oh.
That's a great question.
Wait,
Why?
I think I might have a.
Stop. Wait just a second. Why do we split it only part of the way? Ashton, I saw you in first.
I think it's because since it was 3, it was more than 1. Since we don't need that, we like left that. So then we done what we did, and that didn't need to be cut. And like somebody took that and then they like cut it in half.
Okay.
But like
You
the food
are
that they
on
took,
the
they
right
cut it
track.
in
You are
half.
actually very, very close. I think I'm getting, no. I think I know exactly what you're saying. Because listen, a city is designing a park on the rectangular piece of land, right? Okay? And 2/3 of the park, listen, and I didn't do this with this one. Okay, hang on. Two-thirds of the park is going to be used for different sports. So I've got the green, and the green is sports, right? Right? 2/3 is sports. Now, 1/2 of the land, Rye told us, so I only cut half of that land, is going to be used for what?
Oh.
Draw a stick.
Jace.
Jace, what is that land going to be used for? Jace is like, I have no idea. What is that land going to be? 1/2 of the land is set aside for sports is going to be used for what? It's written. Can you see it? What's it used for? One half of the land set aside for sports will be what? Kason. What's it? No. Hey, not Kason.
I never said basketball. What did you say? Soccer field.
Soccer
He was
fields.
doing this earlier. I was helping him because he couldn't see.
Okay, listen. Soccer fields. Okay, so half of that. Listen. This green is all sports. Okay. This green is all sports. What is it?
Wait, look, it was sticking to the ground.
What?
Just
No, it's not a magnet.
okay.
I got a question. It's not studies or estimate. It's about something like that.
What?
How do you know when you have to only split the parts that are shaded?
That's a great question. Okay. So listen.
I don't like this because it's
Just-
confusing.
No, you're gonna get it. I promise. Are you still recording? Okay. So listen, please wait. Please listen. A city is designing a park. So this whole thing is a park. So it's one park, right? So it's nothing less than what we're doing. See, put your hand down, please. Just wait. Okay? It's nothing that we haven't done. We're just adding more to it. Okay? So we have one park, and we've already split it into thirds, 2/3. Okay, now we have 1/2 of the land is going to be set aside for sports, is going to be a soccer field. All right? So half of that,
Are we gonna color a different color?
yes, half of that is set aside.
Doesn't that also equal 1/6?
Mine's not very light.
Okay, so half of those 2/3 is used for soccer.
Yeah, soccer ball.
So listen, it is the same thing as using the macaroni and cheese. It's like 1/2 of 1/3. Okay, guys, you can't sharpen pencils anymore use a different color. I love you. They're not, unless they have broken completely and there's no other pencil, get a different color, please. Okay?
Oh my god.
It is, so this is 1/2 of 2/3. That's all this is. It's 1/2 of 2/3. So what's my multiplication expression for this? Secret. What?
1 and 1.
No.
I mean 1/2 times 2/3.
Yes. That's it.
He
1/2 times 2/3. That is my multiplication expression. That's it. Okay, so
Oh.
this one is 1/2 times 2/3. So what is my What fraction of the whole park will be soccer fields? Ma'am.
1/6 and 1/2.
It's just.
Not 1/6.
Oh, 2/6.
2/6.
I just gave you the answer.
You shouldn't have said that.
2/6. 2/6 of the park will be a soccer field.
It's 2/3 instead of 1/3.
2/6. Yes, sir.
But like, it says the soccer field will be 1.5. It says 1.5.
So what fraction of the, you missed something. Look at me. Huh. Look, hang on a second. What fraction of the whole park?
Oh, I was looking up.
I know.
Because you had it
What,
on
I'm down
under.
here. What fraction of the whole park will be a soccer field?
Wait, that would be a soccer field, so you want me to put this down?
So what fraction of the whole park is going to be a soccer field?
2.
2/6.
Translated into 1/3.
3.
Question, secret.
If we were doing it another way, wouldn't it just be 3?
Nope. Because it's less than
We
a
have
whole.
to do we have to do 3.
That was that fraction of the whole park will be soccer fields. It is 2/6.
So you want to put that down there?
Yeah.
Like right there?
Yeah.
Bro.
Yes.
Thank you.
Did you cut it fully before I told you not to? You don't, listen, it's not a big deal if you cut it all the way through. I'm just telling you, you're going to start seeing problems where they're not cut all the way through. Okay, keep that in mind. Yes, sir.
But why? Oh, well, he just asked the same question.
Okay, next one, here we go. A different part. Here we go, a different part. Here's a diagram of a different part.
I ain't never seen no park with a pond.
Will you please stop with the noises,
Sorry.
okay? Here's a diagram for a different park. I want you to take a look at it.
Can I go to that Christmas house?
Right now. Okay. All right, here's what I want you to do. Do you have a question?
I was going to say when you was on the last one. I was going to say I'm still confused on why you didn't cut it all the way through. I still didn't understand.
Because sometimes, here's the thing, this is why. Because sometimes you're gonna have something stop and then something else go. Look, I have a basketball goal, or I have a basketball part of a park that goes all the way across the top. However, the pond stops at part of it.
So the ponds.
So the pond,
Bottom?
let's just keep going, okay? Trust me. That's why we didn't cut it all the way through, because you're not always going to have. So for example, on this one back here, this could have been a pond. Can you cut the pond in half?
No.
Not really. Although, on that one, they kind of did, where it was plotted out.
Oh,
Okay.
you could put a pond.
Anyway, let's get on. So which part of the park, I want everybody to take a look at it, which part of the park can be represented with the expression 3/5 times 1/2? Draw a stick, please.
Here, that's great.
Garrett. Follow along. You need to be on the right things because they haven't written stuff down. Okay?
Can you ask a question again?
Sure. Which part of the park can be represented with the expression 3/5 times 1/2? I'm sorry?
The grass?
The grass. Why do you think the grass?
Because it's going 5 up and half.
say it one more time. I'm not saying you're wrong.
5 going up, and oh, I'm in. So it's 5 going up, and then 5 going down. I mean,
5 on the sides.
and then
Across the top is. Yep. Garrett is correct.
good job, yeah.
So the grass is what can be represented 3/5 times 1/2. Okay? 3/5 times 1/2.
Where'd you draw it?
I know. I texted you this.
Alright.
Pick one of the other parts of the park and write a multiplication expression for the fraction of the part, that's hard to say, for the part of the park that it represents. Draw a stick, please.
Peter. Not here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're saying it. I'm sorry, what? Talia. So what part do you want, are you kind of stuck? Okay, so I want you to pick one that is not grass. Okay. Alright, so you pick the swings. Alright, so we're gonna do the swings. So what part of the swings, okay, give me the fraction going down. How many does it represent?
1.
Out of, going down, 1 out of, how many?
Oh, going down.
Going down.
4.
Try again.
5.
There you go.
Good job.
So it's 1 out of 5. Okay, how many across? 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2.
Yeah.
So what would my multiplication expression be for the swings?
1/2 times 1/5.
Okay, Talia, I want you to do the pond.
Oh no.
4/5.
Hang on, let me get this marker. Okay, 4/5 times what?
Now I'm kind of confused.
Nope, you've got 4/5 correct. That's absolutely right.
I know.
But
Would it be 1/2 again?
Yes.
Or since it's more.
No.
Since it's 4,
no, because look, because it's still 1/2. Because the grass is 1/2. Because it's still on that half side.
1/2.
Okay? So the pond is 1/2 times 4/5. Okay, the last one is the basketball. That one's not easy. I'm not gonna lie. How would we do the basketball one? What do you think, Mariana? No, not 2/5. Try.
I think it's like, I think it's 1/5 going down and then 1/2 going up to the side.
Yes. It is. Oops, wrong way. The basketball goal is 1/5 because it's only partially going down. 1 out of the 5 going down times 1 whole or 1/1. Does that make sense?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because look, because it is
it's all yellow.
it is all yellow. It is a whole.
But it's still split.
It is still split, but Okay, you can do 1/1, which it is. You can do 2/2.
But why is it applying the whole two? Because it's all blue.
You can try, go ahead. Explain why it makes a hole.
Okay, so with the blue, there's only like blue on one side, and with the grass there's only orange on one side, and on the swings there's only tan on one side.
Yeah.
But with the basketball, there's yellow on both sides, and there is cut into halves, so one half and one half makes one whole.
That was actually really good.
I did it.
That was
Still don't
actually,
get
stop. That was actually really good, huh? You wanna try? Can you explain it? Okay. But that was actually a really good way, that was actually a really good explanation because I
Go
wasn't
get
sure
a
I
piece
could
of
explain it.
candy.
Oh,
You probably did
Okay, so
both.
listen, Ashton, is it a question or a statement?
My stomach hurts.
You probably are hungry and will eat in 15-20 minutes.
Dang it.
Ooh, that's
Okay,
cold.
secret.
Can I explain it?
You drive, go for it. Hey, listen up.
Like, can I explain the whole thing?
We're just talking the basketball.
It's so first we have 1/5 from the beginning, cause there's 5 going up and there's 1, cause there's 1/5 first. And then we have one hole on the basketball court because if you have, say if there's 1/2, then there's one shaded and there's totally 2, and then there's one shaded. You shade in the other one, and then all of them are shaded. That makes one hole because there's no left. None shaded left.
Okay. You kinda got it, but you kinda need to tweak it just a little bit, but you're close. Okay, look up here for just a second, because I can't have you, not while I'm teaching, because it's distracting. Okay, so take a look up here. I've got, look right here for me. How many of this are on this side? How many? 5. So if we just look at this side, it's how many out of 5? 1. So it's 1/5. Right?
Yeah.
So looking at the top, how many? What is my fraction? What? No.
Wait.
It's
One whole or one and a half.
so look, guys, hang on. I drew it down the middle. I split it. So it's a half, right?
2 halves.
It's 2 halves. So 2/2.
Oh, because I'm
That would be
1
1/5
and 2,
equal to
and like we're not simplifying, so it's gonna be like
2/2.
Which is the same as 1/5 times 1.
Avery, you look confused.
Look, Avery, look. It's 1/5 going down, but look, I have how many halves, Avery?
2.
So it's 2/2.
2 halves make
Wait.
whole.
Hold up.
2 halves,
2
because look, how many halves?
We're not simplifying.
No, look, stop. Wait. Here, I got another way to do it. Okay, so wait, guys, stop. Stop making it, stop thinking it through, stop overthinking it. Okay, so I have,
Thinking it through is definitely not what I would do.
no, you're overthinking it. Okay, look, stop, look up here. I'm gonna have, I have a park, and I'm gonna cut it in half. Everybody understand that? If I cut it in half, I split it how? I do what? I cut it right down the middle,
Right
right?
down the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, now, do you have a question?
I'm just wondering something.
Is it about this? Is it, you're not understanding it? Okay, wait till I'm done with this. You might understand a little bit better. Okay, so I've taken the park and I've cut it in half. Now, I'm gonna have different things in different areas for this park, right?
Right.
So, I need to cut it into different parts. So, I know
I
in,
can't see the TV. I'm trying to copy it down.
in one area, I know that I'm gonna have basketball goals, and I want them at the end. Okay? They're going to take over the entire end of my park. So far, you're with me?
Yeah.
Fine.
Do you have a question?
Wait.
Sorry. Just wait. Please wait.
Put your hand down.
Okay? So wait. So I am going to partition it. Actually, ignore the part about the basketball goals. Ignore the part about the basketball goals. So I'm going to cut it into, I know I'm going to cut it into tenths or into fifths. Okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Who's tapping?
Okay, is everybody with me so far? Pay attention. Is everybody with me so far?
Yeah.
Wait, please. Is everybody with me so far?
I guess.
Yes.
Okay? So, are you with me so far? Do you see it?
I already saved it. How?
Wait, just wait. It took you a minute to get it, right? Okay, then but now you get it. Wait just a second. So, I cut it into what first?
Half.
A halves. I cut it into halves first. I cut it into a half
Yo.
piece first.
No way.
Then, I cut it into what after that? Mayana.
Can I please say something?
I cut it into fifths. Okay? I cut it into halves and then I cut it into fifths. Now, the people that own the park have told me that they want the basketball goal to go on the very end. Put your hand down, please. I love you. Put your hand down. They told me that they want the basketball goal to go on the very end. They want 2 spots for it. Okay? They want the basketball goal to be at the basketball part to be at the very end. They want 2 spots for it. Okay? So they want it to cover the back end. So they're going to do this. It covers 1/5 here, and it covers 1/5 here.
Wait, are we on the second page?
Yeah.
Bro.
It covers 1/5 here,
I
and
copied all that down on the TV on here on this one page.
Bro.
Chill out.
it covers 1/5 here. It also covers 1/5 on the other side. Okay? So I have 1/5 right here. Does everybody see that?
Yes.
You don't see, who said no?
Look, I did. I said yes.
You see 1/5 right here.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
If it's on yes, but in my head I was thinking it's 1/2.
Well, right here is 1/2 of it. But here's the thing. Now, they want,
What was that?
somebody has decided to roll their R's.
Oh. What?
Okay? Okay, guys,
Not.
I'm telling you, this gets uploaded to YouTube. I can easily email your parents the it.
What?
So, listen, it goes across the entire thing. Instead of it being half of it, which would be, this is a half, it is now 2 halves. And it's still only 1/5 of the way down.
Wait. Oh.
Say what I was gonna
Because it's
say.
like you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you're only shading 1, and 1/2, and 1/2 is 2 halves, but you're not simplifying.
Correct. Because I'm shading in, what? What whole thing's not shaded in? Right, but it's only part of it. So I'm only multiplying 1/5 times 1 piece.
Because look, it's like
That's
if you
one
count
here.
up and down, if you count up and down, there's 5, and you only shaded 1.
1/5 times 1 is 1.
You can use a fraction strip there, that's fine.
Because if you have to have it,
The magnet.
so it makes it 1 whole.
Okay? I gotta move on.
It's tumor.
No, it wouldn't.
No, it is. Because it's like
Okay, give me 5. Listen up. I need to move on. Okay, we are moving through.
Yeah, this is like the IG pages because this is like 3.
Multiplication of a unit fraction and a non-unit fraction.
Did
The
that say-
diagrams and expressions.
Oh, I thought that said area of the fort.
Area of the park. Okay, here's the diagram. I'm gonna give you the exit ticket.
Yes.